Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a Sea Ray. It's a pre-owned 20-foot boat. This is a 2006. It's actually in really good condition. Got a nice swim platform and your ladder there. Side walkthrough. Coming inside this 20-foot boat, got a nice wraparound seating. This part here sits up into a backrest, which is extremely nice. Be able to lay it down to lay out in the sun. Got a nice big bow, just like all Sea Ray Sundecks. Got a couple speakers in front. Got a couple places to put tables. Everything you need here at the helm. Jensen's stereo. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Like always, hit that like and subscribe button for more videos.